Ladies and gentlemen, furry friends, and all those with a love for paws and touchdowns, welcome to the most anticipated event of the year, the Ruff Start Puppy Bowl Showdown. Our four-legged athletes are ready to unleash their cuteness on the field. Let's meet the players. First up, we have Astra, the defensive dynamo with a bark that'll shock the opponents. Starship is a skilled receiver with a knack for leaping catches and acrobatic flips. Satellite, usually found snuggled up in his foster ma's baby carrier, is a rising star on the field. Orion is a slow to start, but once he's in the game, he's a determined player. Celestial is a calculated striker who plans angles and trajectories before making a move. Rocket is a strategic playmaker with an uncanny ability to read the game and intercept stray toys. Andromeda, known as an all-purpose player, seamlessly switching between sprinting, chasing, and napping. Galaxy, although known as a big softie, is a fearless defender on the field, tackling toys, balls, and anything that dares enter his territory. Now let's go to the game. Today we brought out the junior team, 8-week-old, 9-pound, and ready for action. Well, that didn't last long. It looks like halftime is nap time for these players. Don't you think so, Frank? Oh, what a game. We want to thank you for joining us today at the Ruff Start Puppy Bowl. Up next is some never-before-seen shots from our star teams. Make sure to check them out on ruffstartrescue.org if you're interested in taking home one of these superstars.